Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's title is English at the Train Station, Bus Stop. In this video, you will follow a story about two friends, Ellie and Ken. Ellie is visiting Japan, and Ken will help her use the train and the bus. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is the question. Where are Ellie and Ken going today? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Ken, over here.
Hi, Ellie. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm so excited for today.
Me too. So, are we ready to go?
Yes, but wait, where are we going again?
We're going to Asakusa. It's a famous area in Tokyo.
Oh, right, Asakusa. And are we taking the train or the bus?
First, we take the train to Ueno. Then, we take a bus to Asakusa.
Okay, got it. Which line is it?
It's the Ginza line, the orange line.
The orange line. Perfect. I love orange.
That's a good way to remember it.
So, where do we buy tickets?
The ticket machines are over there. Let's go.
Wow, there are so many buttons.
Don't worry, it's easy. Do you have an IC card?
An IC card? What's that?
It's a special card for trains and buses. You just touch it here.
Oh, like a magic card?
In a way, yes. It's very convenient. I have one. See?
That's so cool, but I don't have one yet.
No problem. You can buy a ticket today.
Okay, how much is it?
Let me check the map. To Ueno, it's 200 yen.
200 yen. That's not expensive.
Right. Do you want a one-way ticket or a round trip?
What's the difference?
One way means you go there. Round trip means you go there and come back.
Oh, I see. I need a round trip ticket, right?
Actually, in Japan, most people buy two one-way tickets.
Okay, then one way is fine for now.
Perfect. Press the English button first, then press 200.
Like this?
Yes. Now put in your money.
I did it. I bought my first train ticket in Japan.
Great job. Now we can go find our platform.
Wait, Ken, which way do we go?
Let me see the signs. Platform.
There are so many people. I'm a little confused.
It's okay. Let's ask someone. There's a station staff member.
Should I ask? I want to practice my English.
Sure. Go ahead. Just say, "Excuse me," first.
Okay. Excuse me.
Yes? How can I help you?
We want to go to Ueno. Which platform?
Ueno? That's platform 2.
Platform 2. Thank you. And which way?
Go straight, then turn left. You'll see the orange signs.
Straight, then left. Got it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Here's the ticket gate. I'll go first, okay?
Okay, I'll watch you.
I just touch my IC card here. See? Easy.
Okay, my turn. Oh no, it didn't work. The gate closed.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's see. Oh, you have to put the ticket in the slot.
I tried to touch the ticket like your card.
Haha, I see. Put it in here. And try putting it in face up.
Like this?
Yes, now it should work.
Oh, it's working. The gate opened.
Great. Now take your ticket from the other side. You need it later.
Take my ticket. Okay, I got it. Wow, this platform is so clean.
Yes, Japanese stations are usually very clean.
So, when is the next train?
Let me check the sign. The next train comes in 3 minutes.
3 minutes? That's soon.
Yes, trains in Tokyo come very often.
That's amazing. In my country, sometimes we wait 30 minutes.
Really? 30 minutes is a long time.
Let's wait here. This is where the door will open.
See these marks on the floor? They show where the train doors will be.
Oh, that's so clever. Here comes a train. Ken, is this the right one?
Let me check. Wait.
What's wrong?
The sign on the train says Shibuya.
Shibuya, but we want to go to Ueno.
Oh, we are on the wrong side of the platform. This train is going the opposite way.
Oh no, we almost got on the wrong train.
My mistake. Platform 2 is over there. Let's cross over.
Phew, I'm glad we checked.
Me too. Good eye, Ellie.
Okay, let's wait for the next one on the correct platform.
Okay, we've arrived at Ueno Station. Now let's find the bus stop.
I've never taken a bus in Japan before. Is it different from the train?
A little bit. In Tokyo, many buses have a flat fare.
A flat fare?
Yes, it means the price is the same no matter where you get off.
Oh, that's simple. Where is the bus stop for Asakusa?
The sign says bus stop number 1. It's just outside this exit.
Is this the right place? There's a map here.
Let me see. Yes, bus number S1 goes to Kaminarimon.
Kaminarimon. That's the famous gate, right?
Exactly. Oh, look, here comes the bus.
It says S1 on the front. This is it.
Great. In Tokyo, we usually enter from the front door.
And we pay now?
Yes, we pay when we get on.
Okay, let me ask the driver first. Excuse me,
Yes?
does this bus go to Kaminarimon?
Yes, it does. Please pay here.
Okay, 210 yen, right?
Yes, that's right.
I did it. I paid and confirmed the destination.
Perfect job, Ellie. Let's find a seat.
Ken, how do we know when to get off?
There is a screen at the front. It shows the next stop name.
Oh, I see it. It says Kaminarimon is next.
When you see the name, press that purple button on the wall.
This one?
Yes, It tells the driver we want to get off.
That was so easy. I love the bus.
I'm glad you liked it. You were very brave today.
Honestly, I was nervous, but using English made it feel like an adventure.
It is an adventure, and your English is getting better already.
Thanks, Ken. I learned many useful phrases today.
Like which ones?
Which platform? Does this bus go to? And one-way ticket, please.
Those are perfect. You can travel anywhere with those phrases.
Look, I can see the big red lantern.
That's it. That's Kaminarimon. Let's get off.
Since we paid when we got on, we can just exit from the middle door, right?
That's right. You're a pro now.
Thank you for everything today, Ken. Next time, I'll lead the way.
I'm looking forward to it.
How was it? I hope this video helped you feel more confident using English at a train station and a bus stop. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Where are Ellie and Ken going today? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn step by step. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. It really makes me happy. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.